On July 7th, protesters organized another demonstration in Kowloon, leading to a 50% plunge in passengers through West Kowloon high-speed train station, compared with an average weekend. After the demonstration, some radical protesters illegally blocked roads in Simsha Sui, forcing most shops to close early in the once trendy shopping area. On July 13th, a demonstration in Sheung-sui district ended with violent clashes with the police. A few radical protesters attacked police officers with suspected toxic powders and corrosive liquids. At least 16 police officers were injured. On July 14th, some radical protesters removed the roadside fence in Sha Tin district to block roads, sharpened bamboo branches as weapons, hurled bricks, umbrellas, and other debris at police officers from high buildings. Fierce clashes broke out at Newtown Plaza, injuring at least 10 police officers. Some officers were left with facial fractures. One police officer's finger was bitten off. On July 27th, though the Hong Kong police had issued a notice of objection, some people assembled illegally at the Yin Long district. A group of radical protesters illegally cut off traffic, seized police vehicles, smashed car windows, and smeared cars with insulting words. Several radical protesters also seized the Yin Long police station, forcing the report room to suspend service. Opposition lawmakers were once again present to support the violent acts. On July 28th, a number of radical protesters carried out illegal demonstrations in the central and western parts of Hong Kong Island, seriously hindering traffic. On July 29th, some civil groups in Hong Kong showed their support for the police.
我们来这里表示对警察的一种慰问和安慰，希望香港警察继续努力加油，为我们除暴安良。港警察非常之支持，忍辱負重，支持警察，嚴正執法，我們受夠了。